Hello friends, myself Bhavin Parikh. Just to give a small introduction of myself, I am a functional ERP consultant and I have experience of around 10 years working on different ERP systems like Oracle ERP, working on Microsoft Dynamics and two to three open source ERP systems. Uh, okay, and the topic which I have come to show over here is how to customize your ERP systems. Majorly, I'm focusing on the open source ERP systems. How to customize the solutions in the most easiest way, which is more accustomed to the users, so that the users can use those solutions in much more cost effective manner and also more efficiently, so that the time to process the transactions is shortened up. So I have been in this module or in this topics, the topics which will be coming under this, I'll be bringing such topics into light over here, where I'll be explaining the solutions which can be done in the open source ERP systems. I'll be explaining those via case studies. Okay, so quickly coming to the first topic for the day, dimension breakup. So just to give a very small introduction of dimensions. So basically dimensions are nothing but categorization of the data which is associated to your financial entries. So basically, just anyone who speaks about dimensions, it is reporting, it's your financial reporting, the way you want to report your transactions. Now dimensions, it enhances your reporting capabilities. um, the different dimensions that are used are like department, division, event, season, region. Yeah, and these are just the list of dimensions, but the dimensions could be n number of dimensions I can use in an ERP system. For example, just to take a very small example, suppose a company wants to have a report wherein it shows that the total fuel expenses which it goes, they want to see a report where how much fuel expenses goes into in each of its vehicle, right? So here vehicle is a dimension for the company, right? Now the case study which I have brought in front here is for the dimension relating to this topic of dimension breakup. Dimensions, everyone are aware, every ERP systems can perform the dimensions, but I want to highlight this particular specific feature which we have customized and which we have provided a solution to this particular case study with the help of dimension breakup. So let us look into the case study over here. The organization, it incurs fine and penalty expense due to traffic rules being broken by its employees. Now the company's policy is to take reimbursement of these expenses from its employees. So looking at this, we come to know that the fines and penalty expense is obviously not the expense of the company, but initially when the employees when they go for the company's work, they might break the traffic rules and they might incur a fines and penalties, right? And this expenses as per the company policy are to be borne by the employee themselves. Organization is not responsible, is not liable to make those payments, right? But now coming to the next going ahead, company receives at the end of the month an invoice from the governing body for the fines it needs to pay also company has to get the refund of it from employees. So here the process is that during the month, whatever the fines and penalty which is incurred, it receives an invoice from the governing body. This might be any the corporation body or any governing body. It gives an invoice to the company to make the payment. So suppose the total invoice amount is say 5,000, right? Suppose total invoice amount comes to 5,000. This 5,000 might be it might cover different employees, right? So there might be many employees who have broke the rules, right? There might be 10 to 15 employees who have broke the rules, and the total it comes to 5,000, which the company has to make the payment to this governing body, right? So we'll look into the ERP system over here, that how to pass an entry in books to record the invoice and also impact the ledger account via single document. How it is possible to do it? Obviously, passing the JV entry is always possible in any of the ERP system, but many times customer complain that why this kind of transactions we cannot do it through one single transaction entry, why we need to pass two separate entries, why we need to pass a JV after passing the invoice, right? So basically the solution that we thought over here for this kind of cases into the system is by passing one single document entry, user will able to achieve two things. One is they'll able to generate an invoice for the governing body, right? And second thing, they will also able to record the advance, right? Or I should say the reimbursement which they need to take from the employees, so that that amount reflects in the employee ledger account, right? Which might be later on reimbursed through either through salary expense, the salary which is paid at the end of the month, or it might be reimbursed through cash or whatever other financial terms are there as per the company policy. Okay, so this is about the introduction about the dimension breakup. In the next video I will straight away go to the ERP system, and will check as to how the ERP system will help in recording this kind of case. Thank you.